The best side hustles for men are geared towards flexible work opportunities that are generally male focused. A side hustle can be a great way to earn some money and learn a new skill. What's even better is if your new side hustle is in an area you already enjoy, such as photography or fixing things. If you're looking for a side gig to bring in some extra cash, you are not alone. According to a survey conducted by Bankrate, 39% of Americans already have a side hustle. But it's important to find a side hustle that aligns with your skills, your interests, and your time availability. In this video, we're going to dive into 7 of the best side hustles for men. Hey everyone, this is Andy Hill from The College Investor, investing and personal finance for millennials. If you're new to the channel and like what you hear, please hit subscribe so you're ready when our next video comes out. Thanks. Okay, let's start with physical and outdoor activities. A lot of male-focused side hustles involve physical or outdoor activities. Here are some great options to make extra money. Become a handyman. Do you enjoy mounting TVs or repairing leaky faucets? If so, becoming a handyman could be a great side hustle for you to consider. There are a lot of needs for handyman services, and if you're able to do small tasks for people, this could be a great option to consider. You can expect to make anywhere from $100 to $500 per job. To get started, offer your services on a platform like Nextdoor, TaskRabbit, or Thumbtack. Compensation will obviously vary when you're just starting out. As you become more experienced, you can increase your rates. Once you establish yourself as a reliable handyman, start building a client list through word-of-mouth referrals. Homeowners are constantly looking for help with home projects. The more trusted you are in your community, the easier it'll be to get high-paying gigs. The next one, mobile car detailing. One way to make some serious cash is to offer a service that is too good to pass up. Mobile car detailing is a side hustle that does just that. You can devote as much or as little time as you want to this side hustle idea in your spare time. You can make anywhere from $50 to $500 per job, but the amount you make is going to be very dependent on the services that you offer. The higher end the service, the more money you're going to make. However, higher end detailing may take more time, and also it may take a lot more equipment, which you're going to have to pay upfront for. To get started, pitch your car detailing services to apartment complexes or downtown offices. While a customer's car is parked, get to work detailing it. Not only will you make their day better, but you're also going to be able to charge a premium for bringing your detailing service to them. Share your detailing side gig on platforms like Nextdoor or Facebook. You can work with property managers to negotiate a deal with their tenants. Then start watching the requests come in. Then there's landscaping services. Landscaping allows you to put your weed whacker or lawn mower to work by sprucing up other people's properties. How much you can make as a landscaper depends on what type of services that you're offering. Are you thinking about doing one-off jobs like brush clearing? You'll maybe make $200 to $400 for a day's work. If you're trying to get regular maintenance going, that's going to earn you maybe $100 to $200 per month, but less workload each time. You can make even more money as a landscaper by offering year-round services or expanding your offerings. If you live in the north, offer snow removal during the winter months. If that isn't an option, offer additional services like power washing homes. This side hustle isn't exclusive to homeowners either. You can offer your services to commercial businesses to increase your earnings potential. In fact, if you can get a piece of specialty equipment like a stump grinder, you can subcontract through existing landscaping companies to do jobs that they don't have the right equipment for. Let's shift over to creative and artistic ventures. Are you a creative person looking for ways to make additional income? Here are some creative or artistic side jobs that can help you start to create multiple income streams. Drone photography and videography. Skilled photographers are already highly sought after. Make yourself stand out by offering aerial images with drones. There are 2 different ways you can work this side hustle. One way is to book gigs. Let wedding and event planners partners know you're available to offer aerial photography services and begin booking clients. Another way is to create a library of stock images and B-roll videos. You can license your content on sites like Deposit Photos. Aerial videos are used in media ranging from Hollywood movies to YouTube videos. Licensing your content is a great way to earn residual income on the side of your 9-to-5. You can even earn several $100s per shoot, but you'll have to spend money on the drone and the permits. To be a commercial drone photographer, you'll need to get your FAA drone license. You'll also need to connect with various people, whether real estate agents or others, to market yourself. Then there's freelancing. Freelancing is becoming more and more common, and it's unlikely to slow down anytime soon. According to Upwork, 38% of the workforce in the United States has performed some freelance work. Freelancing includes freelance writing, editing, social media work, and more. With freelancing, you can seriously scale your income. There's also a huge potential for work-life balance because you only do the work that you want to do. The income range can be low or limitless. In fact, we know several freelance writers that earn well past $150,000 per year. To get started as a freelancer, figure out what your service is. Are you a good writer? Do you have a knack for editing videos together? Or are you really good at running Facebook ad campaigns? Once you figure out what your service is going to be, use a site like Upwork or Fiverr to find some clients. Compensation is going to vary based on what you're offering and your skill level in that service. One of the neat benefits of freelancing is that it can help you develop skills to bolster your resume. Who knows? Your next client could become your next full-time job. Then there's woodworking and craftsmanship. Turning woodworking into a side job involves creating and selling wood-based products or offering woodworking services. This can range from crafting small decorative items and furniture and custom pieces, or providing repair services for wooden items. The products or services can be marketed to individual businesses or through online platforms like Etsy. Success in this side gig depends on your skill level, creativity, and the uniqueness of the products that you're selling. If you're already into craftsmanship and woodworking, this could be an ideal side hustle for you. You simply enjoy it and then you get paid. The amount of money you earn can vary widely, from small items like kitchen utensils, maybe earning $20 to $100, to furniture in the thousands. But don't forget your time commitment involved with this one. It may not add up to much of an hourly rate. Getting started with woodworking as a side hustle requires a lot of skill, along with having the right tools and being able to source good materials. You'll also want to create a portfolio of your work, which means making sample pieces and showcasing them, likely online. You can start by listing your items on platforms like Etsy, but larger projects are likely to come from word of mouth or proven experience. Let's transition to entrepreneurship. We call these side hustle ideas entrepreneurship related, but really they're for anyone who simply wants to earn additional income. Here are some of the most popular side hustles to consider. Delivery services. One of the easiest ways to monetize your free time is to do deliveries on platforms like Uber Eats, DoorDash, and Amazon Flex. Delivery platforms allow you to work a schedule that fits around your 9-to-5 job. Simply log onto the app and start delivering. With delivery apps, you can either use your car or make deliveries from a bike or even a scooter. This makes it easy to not only earn extra cash, but get a workout in the process. The best thing about delivery service apps is the ability to get paid instantly. These apps aren't going to really help you achieve financial independence, but they will put a little extra money back in your pocket instantly. It's pretty simple to get started, actually. Have a way to deliver, like a car, a bike, or a scooter, and sign up for the relevant apps in your area. Then you just turn on the apps and you drive. You could also flip stuff online. One of the best side hustles for men is flipping stuff on sites like eBay or Facebook Marketplace. This is a great side hustle because it allows you to make money around work and family obligations. You can put as much or as little time into it as you want. This side hustle has a good potential to earn extra money, but it all depends on what you find, what you sell it for, and whether you can minimize your shipping or delivery costs. You can either flip finished goods like vintage toys or find things that need fixing first. To find finished goods, hit up a weekend garage sale or go to your local thrift store. For things that need repairing, like furniture, look on Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace. Spruce up your finds and resell them on those same platforms for a nice profit. In the end, having a side hustle is a great way to increase your income. A side hustle can also be a smart way to hone a new skill that you're working on. If you're working on your carpentry skills or enjoy fixing things, a side hustle is a great way to practice a skill while getting paid. The best side hustles for men can help you make money while growing your skills. Thanks for hanging out today, everyone. This is Andy from The College Investor. We'll see you in the next video.